Expense management software has become a vital tool for organizations aiming to streamline financial processes and foster better internal collaboration. In today's fast-paced business environment, teams need to work together efficiently to manage budgets, approve expenses, and ensure compliance. But with so many solutions available, which features truly make a difference for internal teamwork? In this video, we'll explore the most impactful features of expense management software that drive collaboration, ranked by their influence on team productivity and communication. Let's dive in and discover how the right tools can transform your organization's expense workflow. Before we rank the features, it's important to understand why internal collaboration is so crucial in expense management. When teams can easily share information, communicate about spending, and coordinate approvals, the entire process becomes faster and more accurate. Collaboration reduces errors, prevents duplicate submissions, and ensures everyone is on the same page. This not only saves time, but also builds trust between departments, finance teams, and employees. Effective collaboration tools within expense management software can make the difference between a chaotic process and a smooth, transparent workflow. Now, let's look at the features that matter most for internal collaboration in expense management software. We'll rank them by their impact, starting with the most essential. Each feature plays a unique role in enhancing teamwork, but some have a more direct influence on communication, transparency, and efficiency. As we go through the list, consider which features your organization already uses and which could be added to improve your collaborative processes. This ranking is based on industry research, user feedback, and best practices from leading organizations. Topping our list are real-time collaboration tools. These features allow multiple users to work on expense reports simultaneously, leave comments, and resolve issues instantly. Real-time editing and communication mean that questions can be answered on the spot, and changes are visible to everyone immediately. This eliminates delays caused by back-and-forth emails and ensures that all stakeholders are always up to date. For teams working remotely or across different locations, real-time collaboration is a game changer, making expense management seamless and efficient. Automated approval workflows are essential for streamlining the expense process and ensuring accountability. With these workflows, expense reports are automatically routed to the right approvers based on predefined rules. This reduces bottlenecks, speeds up approvals, and ensures that no request gets lost in the shuffle. Automated notifications keep everyone informed about the status of their submissions, while clear audit trails make it easy to track decisions. For organizations with complex approval hierarchies, this feature is indispensable for efficient collaboration. A centralized document storage system allows teams to upload, access, and share receipts, invoices, and supporting documents in one secure location. This feature eliminates the confusion of scattered files and ensures that everyone has access to the latest versions. Centralized storage also makes it easier to retrieve documents during audits or when resolving disputes. By keeping all expense-related information organized and accessible, teams can collaborate more effectively and avoid miscommunication. Role-based access controls are critical for maintaining security and ensuring that sensitive financial data is only accessible to authorized team members. By assigning specific permissions based on roles, organizations can protect confidential information while still enabling collaboration. For example, managers may have approval rights, while employees can only submit expenses. This feature helps prevent errors, reduces the risk of fraud, and ensures compliance with company policies. It's a foundational element for secure and effective teamwork. Integrated communication channels, such as in-app chat or messaging, allow team members to discuss expenses, clarify doubts, and resolve issues without leaving the platform. This reduces the need for external emails and keeps all expense-related conversations in one place. By streamlining communication, teams can collaborate more efficiently and ensure that important information isn't lost. Integrated channels also make it easier to track the history of discussions related to specific expenses, improving transparency and accountability. Customizable approval chains allow organizations to tailor the expense approval process to their unique structure. Whether you need single or multi-level approvals, this feature ensures that the right people are involved at each stage. Customizable chains help organizations adapt to changing needs, such as adding temporary approvers or adjusting workflows for special projects. This flexibility enhances collaboration by ensuring that everyone's responsibilities are clear and that approvals move smoothly through the organization. Mobile accessibility is increasingly important for teams on the go. With mobile apps or responsive web interfaces, employees can submit expenses, approve requests, and communicate with colleagues from anywhere. This feature supports remote work and ensures that collaboration doesn't stop when team members are traveling or working outside the office. Mobile accessibility also speeds up the expense process, as approvals and submissions can happen in real time, no matter where your team is located. Automated policy enforcement ensures that all submitted expenses comply with company guidelines. The software can flag out-of-policy items, provide instant feedback, and prevent non-compliant submissions from moving forward. This feature not only saves time for approvers, but also educates employees about the rules, reducing the need for manual checks. By automating policy enforcement, organizations can maintain consistency and fairness, which is essential for collaborative trust and transparency. Audit trails and history logs provide a detailed record of every action taken within the expense management system. This includes who submitted, approved, or modified each expense, along with timestamps. These logs are invaluable for resolving disputes, conducting audits, and ensuring accountability. When everyone knows that their actions are tracked, it encourages responsible behavior and fosters a culture of transparency. Audit trails also make it easier for teams to review past decisions and learn from them. Integration with other business tools, such as accounting software, HR systems, and communication platforms, is crucial for seamless collaboration. When expense management software connects with the tools your team already uses, information flows more freely, and processes are less fragmented. This reduces manual data entry, minimizes errors, and ensures that everyone has access to the information they need. Integration also supports cross-departmental collaboration, making it easier for finance, HR, and other teams to work together. Customizable reporting features allow teams to generate reports tailored to their specific needs. Whether it's tracking departmental spending, identifying trends, or monitoring policy compliance, customizable reports provide valuable insights for decision-making. Teams can collaborate on report creation, share findings, and use data to drive improvements. This feature empowers teams to take ownership of their budgets and fosters a culture of shared responsibility. Automated notifications and reminders keep everyone informed about pending tasks, upcoming deadlines, and status changes. This feature ensures that nothing falls through the cracks and that team members are always aware of their responsibilities. Timely reminders help prevent delays in approvals and submissions, while status updates keep everyone in the loop. Effective notification systems are essential for maintaining momentum and ensuring smooth collaboration. Expense categorization features help teams organize spending into predefined categories, making it easier to analyze and manage budgets. When everyone uses the same categories, it reduces confusion and ensures consistency across the organization. Categorization also supports better reporting and helps teams identify areas for cost savings. By standardizing how expenses are tracked, teams can collaborate more effectively and make informed financial decisions. Bulk upload and processing features allow teams to submit multiple expenses at once, saving time and reducing repetitive tasks. This is especially useful for teams that handle large volumes of expenses, such as sales or project teams. Bulk processing streamlines the workflow, minimizes manual entry, and ensures that all expenses are captured accurately. By making it easier to handle large data sets, this feature supports efficient collaboration and faster reimbursements. For global teams, multi-currency and localization features are essential. These allow employees to submit expenses in their local currency and language, while the system automatically handles conversions and compliance with local regulations. This reduces confusion, ensures accuracy, and supports collaboration across borders. Localization features also make the software more user-friendly for international teams, fostering inclusivity and smoother workflows. Expense delegation features allow managers or team leads to assign expense tasks to other team members. This is particularly useful when someone is out of the office or when responsibilities need to be shared. Delegation ensures that expense processes continue smoothly, even during absences, and helps distribute workload evenly. By enabling flexible task assignment, this feature supports teamwork and keeps the expense process moving forward. Receipt scanning and optical character recognition, OCR, features allow employees to quickly capture and digitize receipts using their smartphones. The software automatically extracts relevant information, reducing manual data entry and minimizing errors. This not only saves time, but also ensures that all receipts are stored securely and are easy to retrieve. By simplifying the submission process, receipt scanning supports collaboration and speeds up reimbursements. Custom fields and forms allow organizations to collect specific information relevant to their unique processes. Teams can add fields for project codes, client names, or other details, ensuring that all necessary data is captured during expense submission. This flexibility supports collaboration by making the software adaptable to different departments or projects. Custom forms also help standardize data collection, improving accuracy and consistency across the organization. Comprehensive user training and support resources are vital for successful collaboration. When teams understand how to use the software effectively, they can take full advantage of its features. Training materials, tutorials, and responsive support help users resolve issues quickly and reduce frustration. Well-trained teams are more confident, make fewer mistakes, and collaborate more effectively, ensuring that the expense management process runs smoothly. Multi-level permissions allow organizations to define granular access rights for different users and roles. This ensures that sensitive information is protected while still enabling collaboration where needed. For example, finance teams may have access to all expense data, while project managers can only view expenses related to their projects. Multi-level permissions provide flexibility and security, supporting both collaboration and compliance. Expense forecasting tools help teams predict future spending based on historical data and trends. By providing insights into upcoming expenses, these tools enable better planning and budgeting. Teams can collaborate on forecasts, set targets, and monitor progress throughout the year. Forecasting tools support proactive decision-making and help organizations avoid budget overruns, making them a valuable addition to any expense management system. Project-based expense tracking features allow teams to allocate expenses to specific projects or clients. This makes it easier to monitor project budgets, track spending, and ensure accountability. Teams can collaborate on project expenses, share updates, and generate project-specific reports. By linking expenses to projects, organizations can improve transparency and make more informed decisions about resource allocation. Delegated approval rights allow managers to temporarily assign approval authority to another team member. This is useful during vacations or absences, ensuring that expense approvals continue without interruption. Delegated rights maintain workflow continuity and prevent delays, supporting smooth collaboration even when key personnel are unavailable. This feature is especially valuable for organizations with complex approval hierarchies. Automated expense matching features compare submitted expenses with receipts, credit card statements, or purchase orders to ensure accuracy. This reduces manual reconciliation work and helps teams quickly identify discrepancies. Automated matching supports collaboration by making it easier to resolve issues and maintain accurate records. It also speeds up the reimbursement process and improves overall efficiency. Expense policy templates provide standardized guidelines for submitting and approving expenses. These templates help ensure consistency across the organization and make it easier for teams to understand and follow company policies. By providing clear instructions, templates reduce confusion and support compliance. Teams can collaborate on updating templates as policies evolve, ensuring that everyone stays informed about the latest requirements. Customizable dashboards allow teams to visualize key metrics, track progress, and monitor expenses in real time. Each team member can personalize their dashboard to focus on the information most relevant to their role. This feature supports collaboration by making data more accessible and actionable. Teams can share dashboards, discuss insights, and use visualizations to drive better decision-making. Automated tax calculation features ensure that all applicable taxes are accurately calculated and applied to expenses. This reduces the risk of errors and simplifies compliance with tax regulations. Teams can collaborate more effectively when they don't have to worry about manual tax calculations, and finance teams can trust that reports are accurate. Automated tax features also speed up the reimbursement process and reduce administrative overhead. Expense analytics and insights features provide teams with detailed data on spending patterns, trends, and anomalies. These insights help teams identify opportunities for cost savings, optimize budgets, and make informed decisions. Collaborative analysis of expense data supports strategic planning and continuous improvement. By turning raw data into actionable insights, analytics features empower teams to work smarter together. Automated currency conversion features simplify the process of managing expenses in multiple currencies. The software automatically converts expenses to the organization's base currency using up-to-date exchange rates. This reduces manual calculations and ensures accuracy, especially for international teams. Automated conversion supports collaboration by making it easier to compare and analyze expenses across regions. Expense split and sharing features allow teams to divide expenses among multiple people or departments. This is especially useful for shared costs, such as group travel or joint projects. The software automatically calculates each person's share and tracks payments, reducing confusion and disputes. By making it easy to manage shared expenses, this feature supports collaboration and ensures fairness. Scheduled expense reporting features allow teams to automate the generation and distribution of reports at regular intervals. This ensures that everyone receives up-to-date information without manual effort. Scheduled reports keep teams informed, support regular reviews, and help identify trends or issues early. By automating reporting, organizations can maintain transparency and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Commenting and tagging features allow team members to add notes, ask questions, or flag expenses for review. This supports open communication and makes it easier to resolve issues collaboratively. Tagging also helps organize expenses by project, department, or category, improving searchability and analysis. By enabling direct feedback and discussion, these features foster a more interactive and transparent expense management process. Multi-department collaboration features enable different teams to work together on shared expenses, budgets, and reports. This is especially important for organizations with cross-functional projects or centralized finance teams. By providing tools for interdepartmental communication and coordination, these features break down silos and promote a unified approach to expense management. Collaboration across departments leads to better resource allocation and more effective financial planning. Automated reminders for approvers ensure that expense reports are reviewed and approved promptly. The system sends notifications to approvers when action is required, reducing delays and keeping the process moving. This feature is especially useful in organizations with multiple approval levels or busy managers. Automated reminders help maintain momentum and ensure that reimbursements are processed on time. Expense submission templates standardize the way expenses are reported, making it easier for employees to provide all necessary information. Templates reduce errors, speed up the submission process, and ensure that all required fields are completed. By providing a consistent format, templates support collaboration and make it easier for approvers to review and process expenses efficiently. Expense approval escalation features automatically route pending approvals to higher-level managers if they aren't addressed within a certain timeframe. This prevents bottlenecks and ensures that urgent expenses are handled promptly. Escalation rules can be customized to fit organizational needs, supporting efficient collaboration and timely reimbursements. By keeping the process moving, escalation features help maintain trust and accountability. Automated audit features review expenses for compliance, accuracy, and potential fraud. The software flags suspicious transactions and provides detailed reports for further investigation. Automated audits support collaboration by making it easier for finance teams to review large volumes of expenses and ensure that policies are followed. This feature reduces manual workload and helps organizations maintain high standards of integrity. Approval delegation features allow managers to assign approval authority to another team member temporarily. This ensures that expense approvals continue smoothly during absences or busy periods. Delegation supports uninterrupted workflow and prevents delays, making it easier for teams to collaborate and keep the expense process on track. Expense data export features allow teams to download expense data in various formats for further analysis or sharing with other departments. This supports collaboration by making it easy to share information with stakeholders, auditors, or external partners. Data export also enables teams to conduct deeper analysis using external tools, supporting continuous improvement and informed decision-making. User roles and hierarchies features allow organizations to define clear structures for expense, submission, approval, and oversight. By mapping out roles and responsibilities, teams can collaborate more effectively and avoid confusion. Hierarchies ensure that approvals follow the correct chain of command, supporting accountability and compliance. Clear roles also make it easier to onboard new team members and maintain consistent processes. Effective communication of expense policies ensures that all team members understand the rules and guidelines. Features that highlight policy updates, provide easy access to documentation, and offer in-app guidance help teams stay informed. Clear communication reduces errors, supports compliance, and fosters a culture of transparency. By making policies accessible, organizations can improve collaboration and reduce misunderstandings. In summary, the most impactful features for internal collaboration in expense management software include real-time collaboration tools, automated workflows, centralized document storage, and integrated communication channels. Other important features, such as customizable approvals, mobile accessibility, and audit trails, further enhance teamwork and efficiency. By prioritizing these features, organizations can streamline their expense processes, improve transparency, and foster a culture of collaboration. Investing in the right tools not only saves time and reduces errors, but also empowers teams to work together more effectively, driving better financial outcomes for the entire organization.